Hey, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Vicki B, and welcome to another Sunday dinner video. Tonight I'm gonna make steak fajitas, and I'm pretty sure I've made these for you before, but I'm gonna make them again. Every once in a while I do them a little different, and so I'm just gonna make them tonight the way I make them quite often, and I'm gonna show you the ingredients and what I'm gonna do with it. And let's get started. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. There's not many ingredients. I just get some of this bagged steak fajita and then some tortillas. I'm going to use a packet of fajita seasoning. It can be McCormick or it can be Walmart brand or Kroger, whatever. It doesn't matter, but this is the one I found. I didn't see any of the Walmart brand this time. I'm going to use a red bell pepper, some sour cream, a red onion, some Colby Jack, and check out this lime, y'all. Look how little it is. All of them were like that. But since I'm just making fajitas for two, maybe it'll be enough. And that's all the ingredients. Okay, now to get started, we're just going to cut up the veggies. And then after that, I'm going to cut up the meat. So basically just prepping all this stuff to get ready to cook it.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up.
I really love the smell of fresh limes. I'm just going to add a little bit of cooking oil to this skillet just to keep everything from sticking. And I'm going to go ahead and put the peppers and onions in and let those be cooking while I'm cutting up the meat. And I know most times people would just eat this steak just like it is, but I like cutting ours up in tiny bite-sized pieces. We like it that way, and it's just easier to bite into.
It is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. And I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.
And once that's all cut up and the peppers and onions have cooked down a little, I'm going to go ahead and add all of that meat in the same pan.
Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
This fajita seasoning requires 1/4 cup of water. So I'm just going to open this package and go ahead and sprinkle that in on top of the meat and the peppers and onions. And then I'm also going to add the lime right here at this point. I never was sure of how to put the lime into the lime squeezer. I guess it really don't matter as long as you get all the juice out. But I always feel like I'm doing it backwards no matter which way I put it. And once that's in there, I'm going to add that 1/4 cup of water and then stir it all up and let it start cooking out.
On my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
Now while that's cooking, I'm going to do something that I've never tried before. I'm going to go ahead and heat these tortillas up on this little griddle. And I kind of liked it that way. It gave it just a little bit of a charred taste. So while the tortillas are heating up on the griddle, I'm just going to keep stirring the meat mixture off and on until everything gets done.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
And at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and plate up the food. I'm going to put a generous amount of this meat mixture onto each tortilla, and then I'm going to add the shredded cheese and the sour cream. And I just wanted to say that it works out a lot better if I go ahead and put the sour cream in the squeeze bottle. It's kind of messy and not very easy to get into the squeeze bottle, but it makes it easier to put on the food, and it also looks a whole lot prettier on the food when I use the squeeze bottle. This meal was pretty inexpensive. I think it was about $8 per person, and we did have leftovers for the next day, so not too bad at all. Y'all should really try it, and I hope y'all have a good one. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.
Down, even if the sky is falling